Every pipeline carrying abrasive slurry, corrosive chemicals, or high-temperature media faces the same threat: internal wear that leads to leaks, downtime, and costly replacements. ADCERAX alumina lining tubes are engineered as a dense ceramic barrier, protecting pipe walls from erosion, corrosion, and thermal degradation in the harshest industrial environments. 5 performance characteristics distinguish alumina lining tubes from metal or polymer alternatives. Extreme abrasion resistance, with Mohs hardness reaching 9, protects against particle scouring in slurry pipelines. Broad chemical inertness keeps the liner stable in contact with strong acids, alkalis, and oxidizing media. High temperature stability supports continuous operation up to 1650 degrees Celsius. Low surface friction reduces material buildup and blockage inside the pipe. And dimensional precision ensures a tight interference fit or adhesive bond to the host pipe, eliminating gaps where wear concentrates. ADCERAX alumina lining tubes are available across multiple purity grades, from 92% for cost-effective general lining through 95% for balanced wear protection, up to 99.7% for the most demanding corrosion and temperature environments. At the 99.7% grade, density reaches 3.92 grams per cubic centimeter. Hardness measures ADCERAX 88 to 90, equivalent to Mohs 9. Compressive strength stands at 2,550 for megapascals, and flexural strength at 313 megapascals. Thermal conductivity ranges from 33 to 38 watts per meter Kelvin, supporting efficient heat transfer even as a liner. Maximum continuous use temperature reaches 1,760 degrees Celsius without structural load. Standard alumina lining tubes cover outer diameters from 50 to 500 mm, with wall thicknesses from 5 to 30 mm. Individual segment lengths reach up to 1,000 mm, and multiple segments can be joined inside a single pipe run for continuous coverage. Tolerances are held between plus or minus 0.1 mm and plus or minus 0.5 mm depending on the grade and diameter. End configurations include plain butt, stepped overlap, and chamfered profiles to suit different installation methods. Surface finish options range from as-fired to precision ground or polished, depending on flow requirements. Every lining tube is manufactured to fit your specific pipe geometry. Outer diameters span 50 to 500 mm with custom wall thicknesses. Choose stepped ends for interlocking joints, chamfered profiles for adhesive bonding, or plain butt ends for cement grouting. In mining and mineral processing, alumina lining tubes protect slurry transport pipelines from particle erosion. With Mohs 9 hardness, the ceramic surface outlasts steel liners by 3 to 5 times, reducing replacement frequency and unplanned shutdowns. For chemical processing, the liner resists strong acids, alkalis, and chloride solutions. In standard acid corrosion tests, high-purity alumina shows less than 0.05% weight loss, a level of inertness that metal and rubber linings cannot match in continuous service. In power generation and thermal systems, alumina-lined ducts handle fly ash, hot gas, and abrasive particulates at sustained temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius, extending duct service life and cutting maintenance intervals significantly.